Good morning. Looking at the US markets close, and we did see a mixed day of trade. We did see more money going into the banking stocks, a bit of resilience coming back in the energy sector with that oil price up nearly 2% to 65.96 US a barrel. But unfortunately, the technology sector was held back. The Dow itself really being boosted by a few stocks. There was a bit of money going into those banking stocks that are listed on the Dow, but also we had McDonald's making some very solid gains. But that was on the news that they are looking at laying off more staff. They're right-sizing their business. They're trying to get down and control their balance sheet yet again so they can move forward with new plans. They have been looking at lifting the minimum wage for the workers that are currently on their books, but they are looking at reducing the amount of staff as a whole. So we saw their share price up around 4%. Elsewhere, well, we did see some concerns coming into Netflix. The concerns about having to produce new original content are increasing. The fact that they won't have Disney as one of their partners going into the new year means that they have to come up with more of their own original content. There's now expectations they could spend as much as 7.5 up to $8 billion US on doing so. So the share price came under pressure, with like streaming companies also feeling the impact from the analysis coming through about their streaming costs. We also saw a bit of negativity coming into Facebook. It does look like they might have had another breach. We're waiting on more information coming out, but it has seen their share price moving lower, while Google as well coming under pressure on expectations they might have a fine coming through for some of the ways they delivered their content on their Android devices into Europe. Elsewhere, we did see that oil price, as I said, moving higher, helping the energy sector putting on some stellar runs. The gold price, well, only slightly weaker at 1,301 US an ounce. The Dow was up by 95 points at the end of trade. The Nasdaq down by 54. Over the weekend, we're going to have the G7 meeting. Still concerns that the main focus is going to be on trade and whether we'll see the other G6 nations being able to sway Donald Trump's current plans. And of course, we're only a week out from the North Korea-South Korea summit, where the US will be meeting with North Korean entities. And lastly, looking at the Aussie market, set for an 8-point slide at the start of trade, with the Aussie dollar 76.19 US.